My name is Zhou. I come from the chemistry department. So today let's talk something about chemistry. Today's topic is state of matter. Before get into this topic, I need to make a definition of the matter. This kind is a very comprehensive topic, conception. You can just imagine everything you could see, you could hear, or anything else. But in this class, we should combine this concept as a pure compound. This is the way we try to figure out what exactly a single thing could behave or could work as an independent function. So let's keep that in mind. So when we talk about the matter of the state of the matter, could you give me some what could you think about? Like before you need to describe something. Do you think we can I give you some hint. When I say there is one state called gas, can you give me some more? Liquid? More? Yes. That's the most classic, this so-called three different classic state of matter. Gas, liquid, and solid. Just actually what you can say every day, right? So as we are trying to define the difference between these three different terms, do you think give something about what a gas looks like? Could someone give you just an example? Can you tell me something about a gas? What do you think it looks like?
It is a state where the molecules are quite far away from each other.
Just a high level answer. Yeah, but can you give something more transparent or more easy to understand? Can you think the gas can be grabbed? Can you grab it? Or can you smell it? Or can you see it?
It's just not very dense.
Yeah, so actually the way it is the way light, right? You can my hand is here. Actually there's some gas in here. You cannot see it, but it's there. So the other property of gases, they are in most cases, they just right? But remember, you will see something like the gas actually see the color of it. But in most cases, like the air we breathe all the time didn't even feel like it is there. So that's the most basic property of gas. So next one, liquid. Can you think about something with similar properties of liquid? Like
Fluid?
yeah. The ability to flow, you cannot, the water coming through it. If you put this height difference between the water, so you can just flow from high to down, right? And another one, you see something more? Use your imagination. Compare. Is it gas? Is they heavier or is they lighter? Most cases. Agree with that? Yeah, most cases they are heavy. So they're more heavier than gas, so we can just hold a bottle of water, right? Put them in some container. So there come another question. Do you think the water, liquid like water, can keep that shape? Yeah. Do you think when you try to hold a specific amount of liquid in a specific keep it in the same shape using different containers. Like when I use a round bottle container and use a triangular bottle, it's different, right? So you cannot hold the shape. That's why you can see different kind of beverages. They're using aluminum cans, they're using some plastic bottles. So you can change the shape, right? But there's something you cannot easily move that shape. You know what? This guy. Like the chairs you right now sit on it because they can't hold the shape, or you let it fell down. So solid. Just what we said is able to keep the shape. So, do you think anything else we can think about solid? Like, are they heavier or are they lighter?
Heavy.
Yeah, they're much heavier than number one. How about these two guys? I mean, liquid and solid. Do you think liquid is much lighter than solid, or?
Depends. For example, if you get a present.
Yeah, you're right. Can you give me an example?
Water.
Water. Yes.
It is heavier than ice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. So we cannot directly say solid is heavier than liquid, but the case is we can say that both liquid and solid are heavier than the gas, right? Okay. So since we already know the basic properties of these three different classical states, now I have a question for you guys. Can you tell me how would you describe this? Those ladies like this. Do you know how to describe it? Is it a gas, a solid, or a liquid? Can you tell me? Use your imagination. What way does that?
It does not look like 100% liquid.
Yes.
Maybe it might be a small piece of something.
Yeah. You're right. That's what we're going to talk about next time. Actually, this is a more complicated question. There's a mixture. That means we contain two different or much more different states. So we're going to talk about it later. Sounds good.